Good morning, this is Hiker Dude Dad and I am at Tyler State Park on 1,700 acres in Bucks County. I'm 33 miles from Center City, Philadelphia. Again, I'm along the Neshaminy Creek and this is my third state park today and only my first dam. That is incredible. There's no lake here, it's just a dam on the Neshaminy Creek. Really unlike any that I've seen so far, honestly. Look at this. A big frozen log right there. Man, I don't know if it's a curvature of this, but I feel really dizzy looking at it. It's bad because I'm like right here, but yeah, look at this. Just like a smooth concrete curve. It's mesmerizing. Hey, just walk right over there, man. Holy cow. Okay, so back on the red trail here, the Neshaminy Trail, which should wind up next to the creek here. So we just came from Neshaminy State Park. We're a little farther north on the creek now here at Tyler. And man, it is beautiful. Really nice here. We're gonna walk along the creek for a while. There's a covered bridge at the northern end of the park. Not sure if this is round trip walkable here. We'll have to see how the trail goes. I still have one more park to get to today that is in like three parts. So we'll see how it goes. So far, nice walk. Still cold. I don't know, we might be in the 30s by now. Possibly. Not sure, man. It's December 13th, so it is cold. Okay, so if you are boating, got a damn danger ahead sign, or a danger damn ahead sign. Damn dangers ahead. So yeah, take a walk along here, see what we find. A lot of history in this park and we'll cover that soon. So this trail would probably be pretty muddy here if it weren't so frozen. So that's one good thing about having the weather as it is today. So this land, just like its neighbor Neshaminy there to the south, was originally inhabited by the Lenape Native Americans. This land was farmed. There's a couple ducks out there. This land was farmed in the 18th century. There are original stone homes somewhere in the park. Not sure if we'll get over to see those, but they are examples of early rural Pennsylvania farm dwellings. 10 farmhouses date from the 18th and 19th centuries, which is cool, and they are leased as private residences today. A lot of waterfowl here, a lot of ducks out on the Neshaminy today. Mallards, males, females, calm seas today. Nice steep drop off here on a little skinny part of the path. Site red path brought us to this paved path here. Still right above the creek though. Should be a bridge not too far from here. Alright, so here's a very low bridge here. Sounds like curbs on either side. And there's another dam right up here. Another just, I guess it's just slowing down the stream here maybe. I'm not quite sure. So before becoming a state park, this was known as the Tyler Estate. Consisted of 18 farms over 2,000 acres of land. Tyler Estate was owned by George F. Tyler and his wife Stella Elkins Tyler. Yes, the Stella Elkins Tyler. No, I don't know what she did. But they purchased the land during the 1920s and had this group of farms here. Their mansion is kind of up that way. Across the creek is Bucks County Community College. Their mansion is now part of the college. It had 45 main rooms, 24 fireplaces, a Dutch room, not sure what that is, a Dutch room, Dutch oven room, I don't know, and an English pub. Love it. Wish that was still in effect here, but that is part of the community college right now. There were also stables here, and I was keeping my eyes peeled back there because I was on a horse trail. The Tyler stables were built in the 20s. Now houses Tyler Park Center for the Arts. The buildings there housed the Tyler family's workers and groomers and boarded 25 horses back in the day. They raised poultry, sheep, and pigs. On weekends, Mr. Tyler, the guy with the 45-room mansion, of course, did probably the most rich guy thing you could ever even think of. They hosted the Huntington Valley Hunt Club for riding and fox hunting here on the Tyler Estate. So Tyler had it pretty good. And now the state park is named after him. Here in the mud, actually. Got some horseshoe prints here, so the equine tradition still strong here at Tyler State Park. All right, so I've magically teleported to the north end of the park here. We went up past Bucks Community College, and we're walking down some steps now towards a covered bridge. So we're headed towards the Schofield Ford covered bridge. It was built in 1873. It was built entirely out of hemlock and oak. It was supported by 2 stone abutments and a center pier. It was 166 feet long, making it the longest covered bridge in Bucks County. So unfortunately, during 1991, this bridge was destroyed by fire. So there was a movement to raise money to replace the bridge, which they did. A group of citizens rebuilt this historic bridge, and they did so with authentic materials and methods, even to rebuild this bridge exactly the way that it was. That took about 6 years, and on September 6, 1997, the bridge was dedicated to the volunteers and contributors who reconstructed this historic landmark. It's right ahead of me. I see it. We'll be in there in just a minute. Okay, so here is Schofield Ford covered bridge stretching across Neshaminy Creek. A couple of boards here. Here's a picture of the reconstruction. So it lost 2 feet, I guess, in the rebuild. It's 164 feet long now, 15 feet wide. 3,000 plus wooden pegs secure posts and beams. And it is, again, built entirely of native hemlock and white oak. It's the only double span covered bridge in Bucks County. Here you can see the bridge. When they did the reconstruction of this, 800 volunteers rebuilt this bridge in only 3 weeks. You can see the 2 big stone abutments there and the pier in the middle. And there are some diamond-shaped windows up top. They were added at some point in the history of the bridge to give people crossing a view outside of it, unless you're, if not for those, you're kind of trapped in there. There's a rope swing hanging under the bridge. Pretty cool. Not sure, it doesn't look terribly deep here. Actually, it's not real deep here, but it looks like it drops off there. But beautiful Neshaminy Creek here flowing. Again, we're at the northern end of the park. But yeah, not bad. Let's go inside. There are some times where I just feel completely awesome. Those smooth spots there are my leg and butt prints here. I was walking up the muddy bank. I wanted to climb up here a little bit, get a better picture, but yeah, this is oh man, awesome. Oh, cool. Yeah, everywhere. Yep. Well, I rarely capture it on film, but just me here alone, calm day, under a covered bridge, and this completely probably looked like I pooped myself or something, but I assure you I did not. There's my butt print to prove it. Awesome. That was like the biggest slow-mo fall also. Just completely, so glad I'm the only one down here, because that was embarrassing. Would have been embarrassing if anybody saw it. So lest you forget where you are, it says Schofield Ford covered bridge. The entire bridge is made out of diamonds. I guess I could have, there's two diamond windows on the north side and 4 on the south side here. Yeah, you really can barely get your head in a camera out there. But yeah, otherwise pretty dark in here. A couple peepholes up top there. Not on purpose, I guess. Yeah. Good sturdy construction. Here's some of these, I guess the wood pegs that they were talking about. Holding this thing together, not really any metal really. It's all these pegs pounded in here. It's looking north. See the flock of ducks that I scared away when I fell on my butt. But yeah, I'm not sure that there's any, oh man, there's some hives and ooh, a lot of bee stuff up there. Glad it's December. But yeah, a lot of, I think this thing is, God, even this looks metal, but that is wood. There's some nails, finishing nails in the on the boards. They're probably on the outside too. Okay, so it was finished. The siding was put on with nails, but man, I think the inside is just pegged together with wooden pegs. Holy cow. That's impressive. So here's the other side. Some boards down here. I'm going to see what they say. So it says cost estimates to rebuild the bridge ran from between $250,000 to $1 million. Doesn't say exactly how much they paid, but it does say that the original bridge 180 some years earlier was built for $7,500. So on October 7th, 1991. Doesn't say if there was arson or anything like that, but dry weather, poor access, and intense heat of the fire contributed to the rapid demise of the old structure. Within 30 minutes, it burned. Once it caught, it just went. So yeah, it says it handled all the traffic that it could take for all those years, and in 30 minutes it was done. Thick black smoke rose into the air, and almost immediately they begun talking about how to bring it back, how to rebuild it. So I guess fundraising and everything took you know, about 6 years to do, and this thing is beautiful. And I'll tell you what, I've walked over some covered bridges that are, you know, don't feel sturdy. This one absolutely does, and it's held together with wooden pegs. Awesome. All right, I think we are about done here. All right, well, that's it from Tyler State Park. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Maybe next time I'll catch it when I fall on my ass for no reason. Thank you for watching. We're off to the next stop, one more state park today, and a couple stops around the area, but we'll be going to Washington Crossing State Park. So hope you tune in next time and check that out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you out there.